Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Cybersecurity Hub, where we break down cloud security one domain at a time. If you are preparing for the exam CCSK version 5, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into the domain 2 of the CCSK exam, that is cloud governance and strategies, one of the most foundational areas of cloud security. So, grab your notes, hit that like button, and let's get into it. In this tutorial, we are going to learn some of the core topics related to cloud governance and strategies. That includes identify the purpose of cloud governance, define the governance hierarchy in cloud governance, explore key strategies and concepts affecting cloud governance and cloud computing. First, let's talk about cloud governance. Cloud governance is all about aligning cloud operations with business objectives, managing risk, and ensuring compliance. In simple terms, we can say it is the system of rules, policies, and processes that guide how you should use cloud services responsibly. Governance is especially crucial in the cloud because of its shared responsibility model. You are not handing over all controls to the provider. You are sharing it. So, you need solid governance to define who does what, how it's done, and how it's monitored. Good governance helps with managing risks effectively, ensuring regulatory compliances, creating accountability for decisions and actions. Without it, you risk data leaks, non-compliance fines, or total chaos when things go wrong. The governance hierarchy. Next, let's explore the governance hierarchy, a framework that organizes decision-making in the cloud. Think of it as a pyramid with 3 key layers. First, corporate governance, the top-level strategy, how your organization creates value and stays compliant overall. IT governance, focused on aligning technology with business. It defines how IT investments, projects, and operations are governed. Third, information security governance, the most focused level, ensuring the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information. All 3 work together. You can't have secure cloud operations unless your strategy flows down from the top and gets implemented on the ground. Why does this matter? Because security in the cloud isn't just a tech problem, it's a business strategy after all. Let's move on to the section Cloud Security Frameworks. Frameworks are your guidebooks for building secure cloud systems. They provide best practices, controls, and policies you should follow. Popular frameworks you will need to know: CSA Cloud Controls Matrix or CCM. This is tailored for cloud, used by many for compliance and risk management. NIST SP 800, 53 and 800, 171. Great for US government related cloud projects. ISO IEC 27017, a standard specifically for cloud service security. COBIT focuses on IT governance and control. Each framework has unique focus, so knowing which one to use and when is a key skill for the exam. I would like to share a pro tip for the CCSK exam. Pay attention to how these frameworks map to cloud-specific risks and support governance efforts. And finally, let's talk about policies. Policies are the written rules that enforce your governance strategy. In the cloud, these might cover following: acceptable use, access control, data retention and deletion, incident response, compliance requirements. Policies need to be cloud aware. That means considering things like data location, third-party access, and the dynamic nature of cloud workloads. And don't forget, policies are only effective if they are communicated, enforced, and updated regularly. Think of the policies as the glue between strategy and execution. Without them, your governance framework won't stick. Alright, let's do a quick recap of the Domain 2. We explored cloud governance and how it aligns business with cloud strategies. Learned about the governance hierarchy, that is corporate, IT, and InfoSec governance. Looked at key security frameworks like CCSK, NIST, and ISO standards. And wrapped up with the importance of policies in making governance real. This domain sets the stage for everything else in your CCSK journey. So make sure you understand the why behind the cloud security, not just the how. So if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more CCSK breakdowns. Got a question or a topic you want to know? Please drop that question in the comment section. Until next time, stay secure and study smart. Bye.